Hello again. This is our third video for today. We're still working with food and also insects, which is really cool. So in the video prior to this, we made a butterfly cafe. I've got it outside and I can watch it from the window. I haven't seen any butterflies yet, but I'm optimistic. That one you can suspend. It's great from a shepherd's hook, or put it up high, and I have it on a little stool. What we're going to do now with the food is we're going to do an ant-speriment. We are going to prepare an experiment to see if ants have a preferred food. I've brought over my model of the ant, and we've been talking about ant life cycles and what is an insect this week. And hopefully you and your child have been observing where are the ants outside of your home. Is there a particular area that gets a lot of traffic? What kind of activity do you have out there? So if you know that, then you're going to know where to locate this. And the first thing you're going to want to do is you're just going to want to sit and muse with your child. What do you think ants like to eat? We know they go after our food on a picnic, but did they have preferences? Do they like salty over sweet or juicy over dry? Are there some foods that they really don't like? Some foods that they really do love? And then choose the foods you want to use. I kept around some of the things from our earlier food prep and just things we've had at lunch today. So I have some scraps available. You don't need a lot for this. And then I took an ordinary paper plate and cut the ring off so that I have a flat circle, easier access for the ants to get to. And I've turned it over and I'm just drawing some lines on it. And with an older child, you can talk about the fact that in this experiment for me, what I've chosen is a couple of sweet things and a couple of less sweet things. So I have some blackberries, some cucumber, strawberry, and salty pretzel chips. So I'm gonna need 4 relatively equal spaces. So that's a fraction. I'm gonna divide my circle in half. Now I have 2 parts. I'm gonna divide it in half the other way. And now I have 1, 2, 3, 4 parts that are roughly equal. And so I like doing it on a paper plate because then you can label it. Let's say you forgot about it and you didn't check it all that frequently. You might want to go back and say, what was there before it all got eaten up? So this is a great opportunity for your child to do some of the writing if you want them to. So you could give them a separate slip of paper that in this case said strawberry, blackberry, cucumber, and pretzel, and they could copy it. Or you could ghost letter it with highlighter that they could just trace it. I'm gonna go ahead and write on here cucumber. If they're very new to literacy work, you could just say cucumber. What does that start with? What do you hear? And if they just identify the k, that's enough. They might say, oh, C makes that sound. Cucumber, blackberry, b. Blackberry. Let's put the pretzels here. Pretzels, p, p, pretzels. And strawberries. So go ahead and label your experiment. Now, there's not super tight controls on the scientific method, so I'm not going to put exactly the same volume, but it's really fun to check periodically. If you have a little round paint palette that has little divots already in it, that's another thing that I found works great, and the ants can get in there. They don't mind climbing a little bit. So we'll put, then they have to locate, blackberries. We're going to put our blackberries here. You could have this already on a tray, it might be easier. Or you could assemble it where you're going to leave it. Cucumber, I know that's a cucumber, I'm going to put that there. Strawberry. And pretzels. Just put a little bit of pretzel there. And then go take it outside and maybe set a timer and check it every hour. I hope that you get some ants. I hope they come over and munch on that and tell you what they like just by what they choose. Thanks for watching. Bye.